In this video, I'll show you how to add a set node in N8N. First, log into your N8N account and open an existing workflow or create a new one. Next, click the plus button to add a new node and search for set. Now select the set node from the results. After that, add the fields you want to create or change, such as a name, email, status, or other values. Next, enter the value for each field, or use expressions to pull information from previous nodes. Now review the Include Other Input Fields option and choose whether you want to keep the existing data along with the new fields. After that, click Execute Step to test the node and review the output. If the data looks correct, connect the set node to the next step in your workflow. Finally, save your workflow and activate it when you're ready to use the new fields automatically. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a set node in N8N. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.